All right, y'all, pull up a chair because today I'm sharing a chicken lasagna recipe that's sure to shake up your dinner routine. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lasagna's a big ol' Italian classic, but swap out that beef for tender, juicy chicken and oh, honey, you're in for a treat. First things first, I get my chicken breasts cooking. Just a little salt, pepper, and a sizzle in the skillet till they're done. I like to shred them up nice and fine so every bite is packed with flavor. Now here's where the magic happens. I stir in some creamy ricotta, a handful of fresh spinach, and just a touch of nutmeg. Trust me on this. Nutmeg and chicken, match made in heaven. Now let's talk sauce. I'm keeping things simple with a rich, garlicky white sauce. Just butter, flour, milk, and a big ol' handful of Parmesan. Stir it up till it's smooth and dreamy. If you're feeling fancy, toss in some fresh basil or a pinch of red pepper flakes. Time to build! I grab my favorite baking dish, lay down a little sauce, then noodles, then that creamy chicken filling, and repeat till it's all stacked up. Finish with more sauce and a mountain of mozzarella on top. Into the oven she goes, 350 degrees, about 40 minutes, till it's golden and bubbly. When it's done, let it rest a minute or two. Hardest part, I promise. Then slice it up and just wait for those happy faces around the table. This chicken lasagna, it's comfort food with a twist, and trust me, it'll have everyone coming back for seconds. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. I'll see y'all next time.